What we need is a number detective.
There are also 4 m's in the model. This is the same as 4 times m, which can also be written as 4m.
But first, what's an integer? That's a great question. Integers can be positive if greater than 0, or they can be negative if less than 0. And of course, there is also 0 itself, which is an integer.
We have 4 parentheses 2 plus 3x. I'm going to take what is on the outside, my 4, and distribute it by means of multiplication to each.
Now, since GI and DF are parallel lines, these angles are congruent. So the measure of angle JHG equals the measure of angle HED, which is 129.1 degrees. Now that you know some of the angle relationships that are formed when a transversal intersects 2 parallel lines, you are ready to find angle measures.